How to design tabs in Figma. Let's start off by creating a text first. I'm just going to write page, like this. And now let's you want to make sure the text is aligned to the center and as well aligned to the middle. Let's make it 16 points. So it's a little bigger. Let me zoom in. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is right click on that and go to add auto layout, or just Shift+A on your keyboard. And I'm gonna select this on the sides to have padding of 18, and the next one on top and bottom is gonna be 6, like that. Make sure it's aligned to the center. And something else we need to do is change the horizontal resizing to fixed width, like this. Okay, so now we want to create a component from this. Just go up to this icon here and create component. And now on the right hand side, you're going to go to properties and just click on the plus sign, and we're going to add a variant. So let's create some variants to this, 3 in fact. So the first one is going to be the default state. Yeah, that's the default. This one is going to be the hover state. So just going to name this hover, like this. And this one is going to be the selected state. Okay, so let's change them up. The hover state, I want to have a fill. So actually, let me just give a color to the specific font. Let's go with something bluish like this. And I'm going to use the same here. This is going to be my background. Just make it more opaque. And I also want to round its corners a little bit, like that. And again, the text is going to be this color. And for the selected state, we're going to select the same color. And I want to have a clear indication that it's selected. So I'm just going to go to the rectangle tool and drag out a little rectangle like this, bring it into here. And now we're going to go back to the right hand side and click on this one, which is absolute position. Now we can align it to the box here. Just drag it out to the end and give it the same color, like that. Okay, so now we have to connect them. We go to prototype. Gonna select the first one. This is gonna go into the hover state, and I want to select while hovering on this one. Okay, smart animate, we're gonna leave it at that. And this one, from hover, we're gonna go to the selection state. This is gonna stay on click and smart animate again. So this is our component. Now we can use this in our dummy page. So let's create one. This is gonna be like our home page. Imagine. Just gonna type in home. So I'm gonna go to assets on the left hand side here and bring in our component. So let's create copies of these, like that. This is gonna say home. This can be our products page. And this can be the contacts page. Okay, so let me just frame it a little better. Also, yes, okay. So imagine this is our home page. We need to add something like, you're going to add your content, but I'm just going to say something like hi and welcome. So imagine this is the content for the home page. This is just for the example. So we're going to change the home button, the home tab rather, to the selected state, because this is going to be our home page. So from here we can go in and create copies of this page. Just hold down Alt and drag it out like this. This is gonna be our products page. Like that. We can change the button to the default state, and this is gonna be the selected state. So now we can type in products. These are gonna be our products in here. Products like this. And to the third one, let's copy it again like that. This is gonna be our contacts page. Just let me delete these. Like, you can have your phone number here and so on. Okay, so this is the third one. Let me change this to default again, and the contacts will be selected in this case. Okay, so how do we interconnect these? Let me show you. So what we want to do is go to prototype, and from here we're going to choose products. You want to choose this one specifically. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to products. On click, we'll just leave it like this. Contacts will take us to contacts, obviously. Home is going to take us to the home page. Contacts again to contacts, and do the same for the third page. It's gonna get more complex when you have more pages, obviously, so you want to be very careful when you do this. This is the most trickiest part, but it's gonna be worth it, you'll see. So now that I've done these connections, I'm gonna select my first one, the home page, and I'm gonna go to this preview here, which will open it in a new tab. And when it's loaded, let me zoom in. As you can see, when I hover over the other tabs, they turn into this hover state. So when I click on them, it changes to the next page, to the products page. And this is our contacts. And that's it. And that's how you can design tabs in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.